This is a review of the extra large bamboo cutting board. It's a set of three for your kitchen. It comes with a deep juice grooves. That's also a built-in handles. It's the perfect for your kitchen that I'm going to be doing a unboxing on and also a review on. And in this review unboxing, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and we're going to open it up and show you guys more in depth about this cutting board set. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got the package unboxed, and you can see here. One thing I do want to say is that the box is absolutely beautiful. So that is right there a huge plus to know if this is high quality. The box is absolutely beautiful, and it also, not just that, but it also smells nice as well too. But you can see here it says the extra large bamboo cutting board set. So it comes with the three-piece. This is in a brown color, and you can see here just from looking at it without me taking the plastic off, I can see that the quality is definitely high quality. And it comes with the display rack right over here that you see right over there. And yeah, so I'm going to take all this out and then show you guys pretty much in the kitchen and show you guys how this cutting board exactly looks like. Okay, so I got the product right out of my kitchen to show you guys in a better way. And you can see here is three sets right over here. So this is a small one. You use your fruits and vegetables for this one. The medium size for some medium, like if you have like something like chicken or something like, you use that for that. This is on the heavier side. So if you're cooking something like meats or something, on the heavier side, some big chicken, especially during Thanksgiving time, as you guys know, big turkeys and all that stuff, use this one right over here in the back, which I'll show you guys in a second. But other than that, I do want to say the display rack is really absolutely phenomenal. It's really sturdy. It's not like it's gonna go fall down or anything like that. So I'm gonna probably start with this one out. I take the small one out here. So if you're cooking like some fruits and vegetables, pretty much anything like that, some light stuff, they use this one right over here, and it will definitely do the job. It's not going to move anywhere. I do love the fact that on the bottom of this, it comes with a handlebar, so it gives you a better stability and a better grip. So make sure it doesn't fall down or anything like that. So it has good stability and a better grip. And I love the fact that it has those handlebars on the bottom. And one thing I do want to say is that the color is absolutely beautiful as well too. The wood grain material that they use is extremely high quality product. And then I'm going to go move this one to the side and show you guys the medium set one. So the medium set one is absolutely phenomenal as well too. You can see here that it says the brand right over here, and then from here the same thing, just like this one right over here. So if you're doing some medium stuff like some light chicken, like I told you guys, some light work, then you use the medium side one, and that's pretty much for the light stuff like I told you guys. But yeah, last but not least, if you're going to do something very heavy, especially during Thanksgiving time, the turkeys and all that stuff, then I would definitely recommend using this cutting board. If you're going to do some heavy, like, you could use this to pretty much cut some meat, some heavier type of any like heavy food or something like that, some big turkey, some chicken or anything like that. I would definitely recommend this cutting board. One thing I do love the fact is that it doesn't move anywhere at all either. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go like slide off or fall down or anything like that or slip. And not, last but not least as well too, the display rack is also, I love the fact that it's extremely high quality as well too. And whenever you're not going to use these, the cutting board three-piece set, you can just put them back up like I showed you guys in the video. But other than that, I overall am super happy with this product, and I would definitely recommend this three-piece cutting board set if you're looking for a cutting board to pretty much do your vegetables cutting, your pretty much anything like cooking. When it comes to cooking some chicken, turkey, meats, then this cutting board I would definitely recommend, because the fact that it's sturdy, the quality is very nice, the texture very nice, it feels very nice. It has a handlebar as well too, especially for the big one on the back too. It's a handlebar right over here, so it gives you a better grip and stability. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something to improvise your kitchen and make it look more nice, and pretty much have your display rack and make everything look more organized. Then this display rack from of these three-piece sets I would definitely recommend. And overall, I am super happy with this cutting board set.